Thanks, Martin. Chief Meteorologist Catherine Thompson here. We are talking about a pretty soggy afternoon, or rest of our afternoon and evening at times. We're still going to see rounds of showers and a few thunderstorms, and this is already creating flooding issues across our area. Over the next several days, too, we will see consistent cloud cover and rounds of showers and storms, especially during the afternoon and evening. Now, right now, most of us are sitting in the 60s. You can see that cloud cover hanging tight on our Southwest Virginia Community College camera there. And speaking specifically about Tazewell County, that's one of the concerns we've had over the past just hour or so alone. We've had some very heavy rainfall in parts of Tazewell County, and that's created some flooding issues. If I zoom in here, you can actually see where 2 or 3 inches has fallen across parts of Route 19 going toward Bluefield around the Springville area. So if you've been on 19 or 460, you may have run into some issues earlier today, and we've got the pictures to prove it. Look at these pictures. These are coming in from Springville, Virginia, of that high water there. Shirley took these pictures earlier in the afternoon. So please be careful. High water like this, rapid rises in creeks, streams. This is the kind of thing, at least in isolated spots, we're going to be worried about not only tonight, but over the next several days. Now, with Tazewell County tonight, there is a flash flood warning in effect for that particular area where we've seen that high water. So if you're around the Laurel Creek, North Fork of the Clinch River, Bluestone River, East Fork Cove Creek, you could definitely see some high water issues because it's still raining in parts of Tazewell County, and we've just seen a lot of thunderstorms there that have produced a lot of steady rain. Not as of dire concern, but still we need to be aware of this. There's an aerial flood advisory out for parts of northern Monroe County as well, where heavier rain was falling earlier. Wolf Creek, Hollywood, and Pickaway could still experience flooding into tonight as that runoff is still continuing to make its way into streams and creeks and rivers. The ground is very saturated, so again, isolated flooding issues are still possible tonight and into tomorrow, because guess what? We're not really going to see much change in the weather pattern for the next couple of days. Let's talk about tonight. Now, I do think once we get past sundown, luckily we get a break from the heavy stuff, and we'll just be very spotty with any showers tonight. Cloudy, lows in the 50s again. Tomorrow looking like almost a carbon copy of today, maybe just a few degrees warmer, but we will see afternoon showers and storms, and just like today, the severe threat should stay low. But heavy rain could be an issue. It could definitely prompt flooding issues because you can't take but so much rain. That ground's already so wet. Saturday looking unsettled now too. We wake up dry, but again during the afternoon and evening we'll see more rounds of rain. At least we'll be warming up though. Temperatures should be back in the 70s, if not the low 80s then. And that will be the start of summer as well this coming Saturday. So let's recap tonight. Temperatures for most in the 50s, just a few spotty showers around once we get past sundown. The next several hours, we're going to see some high water in spots. We've still got those locally heavy downpours. And tomorrow, again, looking a lot like today. Tomorrow afternoon will be closer to 70, but just like today, you can't exactly pinpoint where it's going to happen, but if you happen to be caught in a storm that kind of trains or sits over a certain area, it could drop a lot of rain at one time. So flooding issues, again, still expected at times into Friday and again on Saturday. Now, I do think there's a dip in the rain chances. At least it becomes more isolated at the beginning of next week. And next week looks warmer, but we look stormy for quite some time. It's a good time to get that WVVA weather app, that is for sure. Martin, I'll send things over to you.
All right, thank you for that, Catherine. Our What the Flag Means to Me essay contest